Hey guys, today's video is going to be my February Boxycharm unboxing of the premium box. They sent me 2 boxes this month. I just filmed the base box unboxing. I'll link that video down below. Let's get into this box. Again, the theme for the month is XOXO and my variation is C2102348-PM. Like I said in the previous video, I don't know when they changed that. It used to be just like regular numbers. Now it's like a whole code that you have to decipher. I don't know. The first thing in the box is from Odysite, California. This is the Blue Aura Cleansing Water, a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Delicious. Energized by purifying something herbs, this cleanser sweeps away dirt, yada-da-da. Okay, it's a cleanser. Retails for $39. It's delicious, it says. Blue Aura. Turmeric and holy basil. Like holy shit. Holy basil. This is a glass bottle, so I need to be careful with this. Let's smell this. Oh, okay. Ooh, it does smell really good. I'm excited to try this, actually. Skin vibrates with a new feeling of purity, comfort, and freshness. Holy basil. What is holy basil? And turmeric are infused in aloe vera juice and salicylic acid and grapefruit to sweep away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one step. That smells really good. Okay, next thing in the box is from Glam Glow. This is the Super Mattify 6 Acid Clarifying Primer. Clarifying Oil Control Face Primer retails for $42. A lightweight oil control primer for acne-prone skin that instantly mattifies and helps keep shine in check all day. I don't have acne-prone skin, so yeah. This reminds me of, like, dare I say the name, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, just because of the star. No other reason. What the? There's a, oh, okay. There's a little scooper. When you scoop it out, I'll definitely try this out. Next thing in the box is, oh, Kat Von D. This is the Epic Curl Lash Primer. Oh, it's vegan. It's vegan lash primer. Retails for $24. This is the ultimate lash curler in a tube. A lash primer. I don't use a lash primer because when I wear makeup, I wear false lashes most of the time. So this would be interesting to try out though on a Mascara Monday episode. This seems weird. It's like very thick. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Its next thing in the box is from Laura Mercier. This is the Highlight 01. This is the Matte Radiance Baked Powder. Retails for $44 in the color Highlight 01. It's a baked face powder that provides a natural color with soft matte radiance. Let's see. Oh no, I was gonna say, I think I met Laura Mercier one time, but that was Laura Geller at IMATS, I think it was. It was IMATS. Okay. Okay, it's pretty. Next thing in the box is from, I've gotten this before. I think I got this in a previous Boxycharm. Was it last month? Almar Cosmetics Pero Primero Primer. Retails for $15. It's a primer. I think I got this. I don't know if it was last month or maybe December. I don't know, but I've gotten this before and I haven't used it, so. Last thing in the box is from Love Script. This is the Décolleté and Neck Cream Leave-On Mask. A leave-on mask for your neck. For your neck, and like this area. It's decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask will envelop the delicate skin of your décolleté and neck, reveal a velvety soft texture, I can't read, and restore its youthful contour and tone. Retails for $58. $58, okay. A leave-on mask for your neck area. What will they think of next? Oh, this is cute packaging. Your body is a temple. Cherish it. That's what it says right there. Yes, yes. Love Script. smells like Lush. Reminds me of Lush. That's everything that I got in my Boxycharm premium box. I'm excited to try this neck mask. What else? This, I'm excited to try this too. I gotta look up what Holy Basil is. Was it Blessed? Laura Mercier powder. I'll try it out. I'll try it. Lash primer. Like I said, I don't really use a lash primer, but this will be interesting to use on a Mascara Monday episode. I do want to bring back Mascara Monday. I do. Tomorrow's Monday. Maybe I'll do one tomorrow. Probably not tomorrow. Maybe next Monday. It's Pero primer. Like I said, I've already gotten it before. I gotta look back in the video because it's bugging me. I think it was I want to say it was like December's box, maybe. I don't know. And then this Glam Glow primer. Yes, I'll try this. But that is it for this video. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.